My name is J.D. Smith and I work at Truck City, part of Weld County Garage. I was working for a dealer out in Fort Morgan. Basically they came to me and told me that I was no longer needed, that they could hire someone cheaper to do the same job I was doing, and it was hard to handle. So picked myself up, was able to go to work for Hungerberg Produce, was loving life, and I was approached about a possible position back in the automotive industry from Roger Ramirez. Here I was, probably had my dream job, but you know how you have that tap on the shoulder of you know, maybe you should really look into this, and that little voice in your ear. And so I called him back, and I started working there in July of 2012. In March 2017, I was to go to Tennessee to see my kids. Had a little bit of a meltdown. You know, I did. And I called Rob and said, man, I don't know if I can do this anymore. I need to take this week and I need to go and see my kids and evaluate where I want to be. And, you know, he said, yep, take it, go do your thing, come back and we'll talk. And that's probably one of the reasons why I'm still here today, is because of the compassion, the honor, the respect that Weld County Garage shows their employees. Most people probably would have said, you know what, see ya. It's enjoyable to get up every day to come to work. I feel like it's family when I get here, and I love all the people here. I see Weld County Garage Truck City as a place that I would truly like to be until I decide to retire, whenever that is, just because of those reasons. It's very family oriented, and again, they've taken care of me, so I want to take care of them.